Hey guys, just thought I'd drop in and show you what I picked up for Boxing Day. $129 from Staples, the Google Wi-Fi home system. Of course it's in white, that's what I want. We just want to show you guys. So 129 bucks at Staples. So let's open this and see what it looks like. I'm just gonna slowly cut it. Okay, let's see. Open up. This thing was regular 179 Canadian for one. You can buy them in a packs of threes. I think it varies in where you get them on the price. So let's just. How do we open this bad thing? Don't know how to open it. Oh, there it is. You gotta slip it out. Put your finger in here, pull it, there you go. That's how it is. And it works with Google Play, Apple Store. I guess these are like apps you can get. You get an app for it. See that? Right there. So we'll deal with that later. Okay, it's taped down right there. Maybe you peel this. Oh, do you peel it up? Yep. Peel it up. Open it up. Nice box. Ooh, cool. Goes with the decor. Pull it out. There's the back of it. You put your internet in. Power. It looks like that's a C. Looks like that's my my initials. What else comes in the box? Nice little stand it was sitting on. Dump that out. Instructions on how to hook it up. Right here. Everything. That's what we're going to use when we put this together. Wow. Looks like cue cards. Right there. That should be cool. More instructions. Don't care. We'll open this up. Oh, look. Gives you the power. Nice. Typical Google. Looks like a bit of a gray and white cord. That's alright. So put that there. Ah, nice flat cable for the internet to hook directly into your Google Wi-Fi. I like it. Nice and flat. See that? Plastic? What? Nice and long too. Here I thought I needed to get an extra. What does it look like? 6 feet? Yeah, it looked like 6 feet. It's really, really long. That's good. I like that. So we're going to hook this up so I can get Wi-Fi in the bedroom from the main part of the house. Because, as you can see, my Google Mini is sitting there, but it keeps getting cut out with the internet and Wi-Fi. So I'm extending home Wi-Fi with this Google. So hopefully it works the way they said it's supposed to. As you can see, everything's back there. Power is going to go in here. This is going to go into the internet here along with my other end connected to my network. So this is what you get. 129 bucks. Normally 179. Google Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.